Pátio de Santo Onofre,聖柯奴非圍. Streets named after saints, oh Saint Nicolau, oh Saint Onofre, Onofre Nicolau. Oh, Saint Nicolau. Oh, Saint Onofre, Saint Onofre, Saint Nicolau. Streets of Macau named after saints. Portugal, love you, those saints. They love you, those saints. Love you, those saints. Macau, love you, those saints. Love you, those saints. Love you, those saints. Saint Onofre, wandering mystic of Ethiopia. Saint Nicolau, saint of the sailors, merchants, and children. Portugal, love you, those saints. They love you, those saints. Love you, those saints. Macau, love you, those saints. Love you, those saints. Love you, those
Okay, so this street right here is called the Courtyard of St. Nicholas. So we kind of have a little bit of a Christmas theme. Down this way, we're going to take a look at this building right here. And there's actually a few streets here that I'm going to try to do. This courtyard and another courtyard. We have Boa Mort, we have St. Nicholas, we have Sun Chao, and then we have another one. So we're going to kind of loop around here a little bit. Let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so St. Nicholas Street, we're going to be going down this one specifically. You'll see a little bit of these other ones as well. This one, and then the parallel one. I'll just kind of get you this is kind of one of my efforts to try to film every street in Macau. First off, we have a shrine right here. It's a little bit dark. But a lot of these will have shrines at the base of their streets. And we'll just see what's in here. This actually looks like it's closed, but some kind of agency. It looks like it's involved with transport or logistics or something like that. Our lane is very, very small, but it's also an interesting neighborhood. So I want to film this one plus another one that I don't think I ever filmed in this area either. It'll all make sense soon. Let's let that one go by. So this right here, so that's our patio right there. This right here, they have some kind of restoration project. So they're going to be restoring this as far as I know, but I've been hearing about that for a while, but they have some of that there. And we're going to, that's our Nicholas Street, St. Nicholas. Here's a little patio. We're on the street called a Sun Xiao, and we have these little patios like this one. So this is a Sun Xiao. And then in here we have this patio. Patios are like courtyards. So this one is kind of the back side of this one, and we have some beautiful artwork. I'm just gonna go in real quick. And then inside you can see, I think my understanding of this area, this little patio, was that these were all social housing. So there was like 19 of them. And now they're kind of like art studio stuff. So there's some art studio references in here as well. So they're gonna restore all of this. That's kind of cool as well. So they are gonna restore all of this at some point. And you can also see some like little courtyards, some patios. Okay, so our target street was St. Nicholas, which was that one. And then my other target street I want to do is this Pátio de Santo Onofre. This one. I think this is another one that I never seem to film either. So both of them have a Santo is like saint, and Onofre. So we're going to be going down that one as well. So I think I generally never film these, but they're so small and so short. But I will try to give you some context. So this is the other target one, St. Nicholas, Santo Onofre. Looks like this one is used as storage, and this connects to the other side as well. So actually, if these connect like that, all of these, this whole area could be transformed easily into something quite interesting. Because you could have two entrances, you know, one on this side and one on the other side. If that becomes restored. Okay, so we are going to continue down our street. Here's a nice little shrine. Right there. Okay, so that's another courtyard. And then this is where these come out at. So this comes out, this particular street is called Travessa de Boa Morte. I think Mort is like good death. The good death. And this is the main street right here. It's kind of quiet. It's day after Christmas today. Then we have this is kind of interesting right there too. That building. I always thought it interesting because this street is called the Good Death Street, and then you have that building that looks like it could like fall over. Half of it is like so interesting. Okay, so anyways, our two target streets are down that way. We're gonna come around this way. And I'm just gonna give some context. So the ocean is directly down that way. And those tall buildings over there, it's part of Zhuhai, China. And that bus is going to Bara. We're kind of in this Bara area. So we're gonna go back to our target streets in a moment and kind of give you the context. So now we're back at Ascension, Ascension Lane, and this was kind of where we had all those kind of interesting buildings. These are the cross streets right there. And they've had this mirror here for the last 12 years. I think they just kind of repaint it. I think it's exactly the same one. They might have some small variation in it, but it kind of reflects that we're right next to the waterfront, because this used to be the waterfront is right there, and then they had reclamation programs that kind of extended the coastline a little bit. And then this is part of this that social housing program. I think it's quite old, so it all dilapidated, deteriorated. There hasn't been any, the whole 12 years I've lived in Macau, 13 years now, 20, so I came in 2013 and that was almost 2026. So I'm hoping that that will be restored in the future. Let me just kind of take a look. You can see some of the backside of it right over there. Okay. So we're on Travessa de Ascension. That's a little beco of the Ascension. Can't pronounce that properly in Portuguese. In English, I guess it'd be Ascension. That's Santo Onofre. This is that little clarity courtyard. This one is Ascension. This is the patio. The Ascension. And this is our other target street here, St. Nicholas. And then we're just going to give some context. So so this one connects, oh, here's another little street. That Boa Mort is the name of the street that's on that side, all the way down. Okay. So we're going to come up to, this street is called Praia Manduco. So it's Praia is beach in English, because this used to be on the beach. So it just kind of gives some context to all of this. So that's kind of where we're just at. We went down two side streets here. That's the name of the street, Praia de Manduco. And this, yeah, Praia means beach, so that would have been on the beach at one time. And then this is that clarity. Then you can see some of the artwork here. So right there. So there's some artwork on this space. I guess that one is going to be replaced soon, and then this one. So yeah, if they restored all of that, and if that was all restored here, like this one has all these beautiful balconies all the way across, and then this one too, right? So you could have stuff that could go in and out of this one, then also all these little patios. You might have something really interesting. Okay, so we're gonna go back to where we started the video at, which was on Boa Mort. Then we'll end the video at that space. So it kind of gives you a little context of this area and what's all around here. Okay, Praia de Manduco right here. That's our starting street. So we started at this Boa Mort right over there. Okay. And then these alleys. And I believe this is the alley that we started at. Huh. It's a jewelry shop right there. So we did that little alley and we started here in this little one right here. So we'll end our video. St. Nicholas and Santo Onofre.